an educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good afternoon, Grummies. I'm working on Miss K's ride. I need your opinion on a couple things. Definitely going to add some more hemp straw. I ain't worried about the lark that's still on there. This K will blast that stuff off in no time. High speed, high altitude. She'll knock it off there. Yeah, definitely got some more stuff to round up. Got to round me up some pine pitch, cow manure, and a little beeswax. I don't work pretty good to bind it all in here and lock everything in nice and tight. Once I get the tail all nice and bushy like I want it, then I'm gonna wrap it with some nice pretty green soft garden twine. Snug it all up, make the tail in all nice and pretty. But man, I got to thinking, I know my Willie would be getting chilly going high altitude at lightning speeds. Shit would freeze off. So I got to thinking, what better way to keep Kay's beaver nice and warm than with a little beaver? So I'm gonna saddle this girl up. What you think? I mean, this is just soft, softer than a newborn baby's butt. Oh, nice, plush, dense, thick fur. I can't think no other way to keep Miss Kay's beaver nice and toasty than that. I'm gonna cut strips. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut strips. First thing I gotta do is knock some burrs off, and I'm gonna cut some strips and braid me some reins. She's gonna definitely need reins. This thing is gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild, baby. That's how I like them. That's why I ain't got shit now. And wild, which is fucking been messing my life up since day one. What can I say? I'm attracted to the damn things. But yeah, man. I'll saddle that girl up with some nice beaver. I got plenty on this, just this one pelt. I can braid up some reins and wrap this thing nice and soft. I think it'll be pretty. But I gotta train her up too. And I can't really fill you in on that part. I'll have to figure a way how to do that off Kay's radar, if you know what I mean. But she is gonna be trained up nice and special. Yeah. Have a fantastic fucking day, Grummies. I appreciate you much. I'm out of here. Peace.